Good morning, everyone. Today is the forecast is that rain, but it's only been drizzling since this morning from about 10 o'clock. But when you're gardening, a bit of rain shouldn't worry you. You should actually enjoy it, because rain on your skin is actually very good. You know, when you let rain fall on your skin improves. So today we're gonna talk about this particular video about this plant that's really good for digestion. Okay. Now, so if you like this video, I would advise you to subscribe on where you see the subscribe button, the icon. Subscribe there, and then you're going to get notifications of very informative videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So what we're going to talk about today is the mint. Now, there's many types of mint. We grow about 10 different types. This is called a common mint. Okay. What happens, everybody's got its own taste, right? Some people will love this mint, some people will hate it, right?
Yeah, but I'll love it soon.
Yeah. As you get older and you realise how valuable this plant is, you know what that's good for? Digestion. You know what digestion is? If you eat a lot of meat, a lot of lamb, whatever, and you can't digest it here in the stomach, you make a tea with that, and that's very helpful to break down the meat, so it can travel to your body. You get the idea? So now, on there, just focus on that. There's many different types of mint. This is what we call the common mint. A lot of people don't necessarily like the taste of it because it's very strong taste, but there's a spearmint, which is excellent for making tea. Okay? So, and this spearmint is, you brew it with a kaffir lime, lemon, and you had a bit of honey with it. It's very good for digestion. That's what mint is for. I would advise you to contact us to the channel and have a look at all the different mints we're going to put on, and all the different mints have different qualities, right? For example, I've got a black mint behind me further, but that'll be another day we'll do that. Okay.
When are you going to start launching some merch out, so then we know?
Some what, sir?
Merch, like that we can wear. That says Planet Wellness with a picture of Planet Wellness.
That's a good idea, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can make your own store. This is the deal. If you get 10,000 views, then you have to make your own store. And then, like Planet Wellness, have a picture of the earth with green and water, and then underneath in like green and blue, planet, and then in blue, wellness. He's full of ideas. The store should have a big circle of the earth with water and grass, and then saying Planet Wellness, the same colours as the top.
Okay.
And I'm allowed free merch, but everyone else has to buy some.
I see. Now, would you like to come in?
Smash that subscribe button and that bell and that like button.
And you'll get
notifications.
Thank you, viewers, for watching.
Thank you, viewers, for watching me and Ronald. And I hope you like my version better, because his version is quite not that good.